In this video, I will introduce about account and bank account and add opening balance. First, go to Account Detail Types menu to create detail types that are not available in the system. Reset Account Detail Type is used to delete all detail types in this screen, but accounts of this detail type are not deleted. Each detail type will belong to an account type, and this detail type is used for the account creation function in the Chart of Accounts menu. Select an account type. These account types are default available in the system. You cannot add new or edit or delete. Then enter the detail type name. The statement of cash flows used to select where this account type should be displayed in the Statement of Cash Flows report field. Choose one of the following four options: cash flows from operating activities or cash flows from investing activities or cash flows from financing activities or cash and cash equivalents at the beginning of year. Enter the description and select Save. Detail type is Expense Type Demo, will be displayed in Add Account pop-up when selecting account type as Expense. Next, I will show you how to create an account and a bank account to use for mapping transactions and for banking rules setting. I will also show you how to add multiple accounts at the same time. For accounts in the Chart of Accounts screen, in addition to the accounts that the system has already created for you, there are some accounts that you might need to add manually. Let's go over how to manually add an account to your Chart of Accounts. From Chart of Accounts, select Add. Then select Account Type to choose the type of account you want to create. For this example, we'll select the cash and cash equipment. Next, select a detail type. Then give the account a name and enter the number for this account. Select the parent account for this account. The parent accounts are the accounts that are available in the Chart of Accounts screen. Then select a day at As of field and enter the amount of money you have in the real account on that day. This number is very important. It becomes the account starting point and ensures accounting and bookkeeping module starts from the same point. When you're done, select Save. The account doesn't show the number in front because we have already deactivated the Show Account Numbers option in the General setting, so we need to go to the General setting and enable it again. After activation, we can see the account number. Now you're ready to start recording new transaction that happened after the starting date you choose. You can edit or delete an account, but there are two caveats below. Firstly, you must not delete your account when there is at least one transaction related to that account or that account already has an opening balance. Secondly, you also cannot edit the opening balance of an account. You can disable this account instead if you don't need it. If you have several accounts to add, you can use the Import Account function. To ensure successful import, correct format, full columns, you should download the template file by clicking Download a Sample button. Open the downloaded file and enter the data you need to import into this file and save it. The data to be entered in the type, subtype and subaccount of account columns is taken from the data available in the accounting module. Then select the file you just saved and press the Import button. The system displays the total number of lines in the file and the number of lines imported successfully and failed. Go to your Chart of Accounts and you'll see all your new accounts. Note that when you import accounts, you can't enter their opening balance, so now you can add an opening balance for these accounts. Next, I will introduce the bank account. When you add a bank account, you can easily import the transactions or mapping transactions with this bank account. Select Add Bank Accounts in this pop-up, give a name to the bank account. Then enter the number for this bank account. Select a parent account from the list of available bank accounts. Next, you can enter the opening balance on your bank account and choose the date of the balance. Next, enter the bank name, bank account, bank routing, address and description. Once everything looks perfect, select Save. You can also edit or delete a bank account, but there are two caveats below. Firstly, You must not delete your bank account when there is at least one transaction related to that bank account or that bank account already has an opening balance. Secondly, you also cannot edit the opening balance of a bank account. You can disable this bank account instead if you don't need it.